Myself, Sunram Prasad, this is the next level of it. So here 1% right, Indian armies are Hijada basically. Otherwise, basically, why basically Pakistani army basically are giving security to Modi? So 1% told that need to check here basically. Why basically? So 1% told that means basically 1% told basically in that city basically that king family basically might be connected like this basically. He might be many family basically. He was king basically of Pakistan basically one time. He was king of Bangladesh basically one time. So 1% to the yes basically that possibilities are there basically. Because before basically the independent basically Bangladesh, India, basically Pakistan, king rule was there basically. So 1% rule that time basically Pakistan, India basically nothing was there basically. This everything happened after the independence. When king was ruling basically that time basically the king family basically was friend of Pakistan also and friend of Bangladesh also and friend of India also. Okay, so that is basically the thing basically. So year 1% yes. That thing basically is still basically running basically. That thing basically still it's running basically. So 1% is that yes basically. That thing only basically still it's running. That thing means that concept basically. Here everything is concept basically. That concept, ideas, everything basically is same thing basically. That idea basically still it's getting implemented basically. So here about political basically. Now basically suddenly 1% asks the question basically. Sunil, where is Muhammad Ali Jinnah basically? So 1% told that he might be Bengali basically. Because he is in India, that is 100% sure. Because few things basically he only can do basically. Nobody else can do basically. सिर्फ जिन्ना कर सकता है. So next video see more thing about Jinnah.